This is the last of our trifecta of fine Chrysler classics that is sure to draw your attention. This 1957 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer Coupe is one of the most desirable classics in the Chrysler stable of two-door hardtops. It boasts the D500 package and is powered by a 325 cubic inch Hemi with its 285 horsepower V8 engine. Brakes, dual mirrors, push-button automatic TorqueFlite transmission, AM radio complete with Bluetooth amp unit. This frame-off restoration with yellow over white color combo is further enhanced by disc brakes on all four corners. We're looking forward to seeing you soon. Till then, keep the shiny side up. Brought to you by Kruse Auctions. I'm W.Y. Lamb, Consignment Specialist. Thanks.